Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2020 Ford Fiesta ST, stock reference number 5125. This shape runs from the first month 2020 and is the current shape. It has a 1.5 litre EcoBoost 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light. Front bar has a few scratches. Left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left-hand side skirt. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather and cloth Recaro interior. Leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, factory sat nav unit, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.